Hi, welcome back to Dhurva Kids. Today we're going to learn about an airport. Let's go. Here, all the passengers waiting over here in this place of this airport. And it's like on the bus after we learn about everything. The trucks are all going to fill up their plane. Now we know how this truck is going to pull this plane to the parking zone. Let's go. Connected to the plane to the parking. Now you just pull this truck. And this plane all working in here. So you back it up. In this plane. Now we're going to get the trucks and planes all ready. All the vehicles are getting ready. First we're getting all 2 trucks in here. Fill out all the suitcases, the stairs and stuff for the people to get on. Let's start with these. Go to the back of the truck. All the way to here. Now we're here. This truck, let me get this truck in. Oopsie doops. Hold on again. Then we're going to bring it here. Slowly we can take it off. Get it on this truck. Slowly unattach this one. Take off this. That's not really. Read on this one. Pretty sure it's this one. Just because it's all. Now we're gonna put the food and stuff inside the plane for the passengers to eat. In this truck. Wait back for 1 second. Open the gates. Gates are open. Now we can drive this in. Slowly in. Start up. Doors can open. Drive it in. Stuff it in. Close the door. Pack the thing up. Now we got the suitcases. Put them on top of that. Then just push it in. Then moving back this truck up. Turn this truck away. Take this one. This truck is finished. This truck is finished. We're gonna eat this truck one more time. One more time we need that truck and put this truck away if we don't need that truck anymore. Okay. Now we're gonna cross here. Loop. Slowly park this one. Return this one. Unload it. And this one dry. Now the door is gonna open. Right. Doors open. The stairs are ready. Can you put them on top or something? Doesn't really fit. And tray. I don't know. Close these doors. Coming. A lot of people in. Park it. Turn over. Gonna leave now. Lady here. What are the seats? The seats are here. Yes, it is. Wait for the pass. Boarded. One more person. Put hands up. Hands up in the air. Put hands up in the air. Yeah, I don't see the one that lady's gonna board this plane. A lot of people are boarding. Next board lady are gonna be aborted. See? Yeah, come on. This passenger. And I'm gonna put it back on. Okay. Seat's gonna move. And they're closing the door because passenging's all finished. And close the door. Nobody's in. Now this truck is gonna come. Take this away from Throw this away from me. Now we're gonna take the train is gonna be running. Now the plane's gonna be going to the runway. Doors closing. All video. Now this truck is gonna look back. When it looks clear, plane is ready. Air checking, all flights is all ready. Ready. And 3. Did it move? You're going fast. 3, 2, 1, go. We're in the sky now. We're right above the airport. I'm gonna be turning. We're going down. Up we go into the sky. Whee! Now lowering. Whee! Plane is going across you. When we're clear,